Hey guys, it's Dima from Dimostech, and today we're checking the GoPro 11. Why do we need a GoPro today? Was it worth upgrading from the GoPro 8 that I had? Why did I actually do that? And do you actually need a GoPro at all with the phones that we have today with all their great cameras? Let's find out. So first of all, why the heck did I actually switch to the GoPro 11? The GoPro 8 was working fine, the quality was fine for me, everything was fine. Actually, you already see the reason in front of your eyes in this video. If you look closely, there is a front screen here. And this front screen is one of the things that I really was missing in my GoPro 8. Because there's only sort of a monotone display that shows you just parameters and things like that, that mode that you're in, and that's it. This, on the other hand, you can actually see what the camera is seeing, so you can actually frame yourself and everything that you need. And at least for me, the GoPro is not always as an action camera and more like a small, hard to get things to shoot, or those places that you don't really want to put your phone in, and that's where it comes why you need a GoPro at all today. Yeah, the quality on your phone might be sometimes even better, but this thing, first of all, this thing is actually phenomenal in my opinion. You can pretty much drop it and it doesn't really matter. It can withstand a lot, actually really a lot. And it's waterproof, and yeah, most of the phones are waterproof today as well, but I don't know, in some cases I really don't want to put my phone at risk. And this thing, well, go ahead, whatever. We'll pick it up later. I don't know, this thing is actually very nice and cute, and the new GoPro actually has a few more differences. So first of all, there are downsides. The GoPro 11 is actually a little tiny bit larger than the GoPro 8 and a little bit heavier. On the other hand, the lens here, the sort of not cap, but the front panel, front glass, whatever you want to call it, you can actually remove. Not sure, but yeah, I can do it. So yeah, you can remove it and put a different one if something happened. So this is very good. It's a little bit hard to actually take it out and put back in the first time, but as you see, I already did that a few times. And another reason that is actually good, you can use a lens mode, which is a very wide thing. I actually have one, but not official GoPro. It's a Telesin. It's good. I did like it. I did shoot it maybe once or twice with it, and it has something that is called level horizon, which means that whenever you shoot a video, you can turn your camera upside down, totally 360 degrees, doesn't matter. It will still level horizon. So basically, no matter how you turn it on, your horizon will be level. This is awesome, especially for sports when the camera moves and everything, and the stabilization is another thing that was, I don't know how they do that. On the GoPro 8 it was amazing already, they improved it a lot, even here. How do they do that? I have no idea. But even without the lens mode, even if you don't buy it, with a regular one, you still can tilt your camera up to, I think, 35 or 45 degrees on some modes, and it will still keep your horizon level. Now, this camera also have some new modes, and I mean, basically, there are start rail modes, there are light rail modes. I did shoot very little with that, because we just didn't have the time, and actually, I was supposed for that to leave my camera alone for a long time, and yeah, it's in the end of the day, I do forget to charge the battery sometimes. Another cool thing that I actually like to buy, and I had it on the GoPro 8, is actually a door. So this is actually a door that it's not waterproof already, but you can plug a USB-C while still keeping the door. This is awesome to put on your backpack or something, like this, with an adapter that I have. And you've seen those adapters already on my previous GoPro 8 and on previous videos. There's nothing new here, but basically I do use all of that with that thing. Another difference with the GoPro 11 is that it can shoot 5.3K videos, not only 4K. And you ask why? I agree, I don't see any reason to do that. But Actually, it's nice that you can sometimes zoom in a little bit more, and you won't lose the quality. This is one thing, but that's not all. There's a mode that basically uses the full size of the sensor, which is that 5.3K, and then it's pretty much not 16.9, but it's pretty much a square. Now that square, why do you need that? Well, technically you can shoot a square video and then cut it either to 16:9 ratio that you see pretty much right now, or you can cut it to 9:16 and post it on the social media like TikTok, Reels, YouTube Shorts, whatever. I actually tend to try to use it lately. Now, something that I didn't really notice, though GoPro do claim that it's a feature as well, improved low light video. And honestly, this thing is the worst for low light video. It's an awesome camera, I really love it, but when night comes, I'd rather use even a cell phone. This thing has an awesome quality, don't get me wrong, but at night, I don't like that. Again, if you want to choose something extreme or sports or whatever, this one will still do the job. But you usually will have a better quality on your phone at night than that. During the day, just leave your phone, whatever. This thing is awesome. I actually didn't really plan to upgrade to the GoPro 11, but I decided that I'm about to go to a trip in Vietnam. There are a lot of cool stuff to see there. Sometimes I would really love to have my GoPro. I could just do fine with my GoPro 8, but I decided to try to sell it with a nice price, and if I actually can sell it, maybe I can upgrade to the GoPro 11. To my luck, I actually was able to sell the GoPro 8 and then actually buy the GoPro 11 on a pretty good sale, and well, that was awesome as well. I must say, this is one of the best upgrades that I did for this trip. The GoPro 11 did an amazing job there. It can pretty much withstand everything, as I said. For me, in my opinion, it was totally worth buying for. Now, honestly, I was quite thinking maybe to go with an Insta360 XP or something, but I guess I'm old-fashioned and I still think that this thing can withstand much more, and I decided to go with this one. Was that the best choice? In my opinion, it's good for me. Again, if I would have the Insta360 XP or something, I would still probably be happy. I would be more careful to drop it or something, because I tend to trust the Insta360 in terms of build quality a little bit less. Again, I might be totally wrong, but I don't have it for any comparisons. This thing, on the other hand, my GoPro 8 actually didn't have any issues, but the GoPro 7 that I had before, it did fail quite a lot and nothing ever happened to it. Maybe some scratch on the front screen I remember that it had, but nothing else. It was in perfect conditions all the time. So yeah, I do trust those. And one other thing that I forgot to mention, those new batteries that GoPro includes now. Yeah, I know that the camera is turned on and I'm about to pull out a battery. Those new with white things batteries, the Endure, I think they call them. Well, I don't know about the weather that we claim, but I must say this battery holds much longer. I actually don't see the point of buying another battery, because usually, for me at least, I can always, as I showed you, plug in the cable and just continue shooting with a power bank or something that is driven on my backpack, and that's it. But if I need, I can switch it to a regular outdoor and it's waterproof. And yeah, then I'm ruined it, but I didn't encounter so many times, actually even once, that I really needed more than one battery with me, especially that I can charge it all the time. There's no problem with that.
Thank you for watching this DinusTech episode. If you enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button and hit the bell so you won't miss any future video. And I'll see you on the next one.